Good Thursday evening. You know what this is. If you don't know what this is, then you didn't see me deep fry egg yolks, deep fry cheeseburger balls, deep fry moussaka balls. A couple days ago, I did a vintage corned beef hash recipe. I bought an extra can just in case. We're going to deep fry some corned beef hash, dipped in beer batter, rolled in breadcrumbs, and deep fried. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Now we're gonna dust these balls with some flour. Where's the flour? Oh! And they're gonna go back in the freezer. Hash brown balls. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty solid. Huh? All right. We've got some ketchup. I love ketchup in corned beef hash. I suppose you could use any kind of dip you want. Let's just pick this one. Oh. Take a bite out of it. Ketchup laden, deep fried corned beef hash balls. Mmm. It held together. Take another bite. Boy, you're getting a nice crunch. I'm very happy. This was fun. Good Friday. You know what I'm going to say? Thanks for watching.